Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can stretch your videos on CapCut PC. So select the video that you want to stretch, and as you can see there is a uniform scale button. You are going to actually turn that off, and here is where you can scale just the width of your video, like so. You have something like this, or um, you can double tap the letter to move it back to the previous scale width and height, by the way. It's just 100%, but you can also do it for height like that. That is pretty much it, really. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you have not done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!